Hey guys, Bizzarefurhead here, Christmas Day, reporting live after hours. So wanted to come to you with an update on the sled project. That's the project that we've been working on, right? So we're here, and I realized that my dimensions might have been a tidbit off. I say this because I had Aaron come down and basically hold the sled against him so I can get a rough idea about how high he is. And I didn't realize that he might only be 5 foot. And so when thinking again of my dimensions being 4 foot long by 2 foot wide, that's not really like a sled that he can like really run and jump onto. But again, that wasn't originally my purpose. But he did bring that up. I pointed out that these would be better rough and tumble sleds for power sledding, especially with the barrel item. Yeah, the barrel, the 55-gallon barrel drum sled, acting as the bottom. So with that, my next problem was how to flatten them out. Because in my last video, as we remember, they have that curl, right? So after talking to my mother about this and also the key keeper about this, they both suggested, hey, the best way to straighten this out, instead of just letting it sit in your garage like a complete ninny, put it upside down and put something heavy on it like a spare tire. The problem is I don't have a spare tire, but I have a Jeep. And the key keeper actually suggested, put your Jeep on this. And I'm like, that's brilliant. And then I thought, I do have what looks to be like a 1x12 board rounded over, and then my old workbench. I'm going to screw those together so when I put the Jeep on top of it, it doesn't bow around the tire.